Ever feel like you're stuck in a cleaning rut? Do you dread the thought of scrubbing, dusting, and vacuuming your home? If you nodded in agreement, rest assured, you're not alone. Many homeowners share the same struggle, battling the endless cycle of scrubbing, dusting, and vacuuming. But what if there was a simpler way? What if you could break free from the mundane with some do-it-yourself cleaning hacks? Sounds intriguing, right? Get ready to simplify your cleaning routine with these DIY cleaning hacks. First on our list is a versatile cleaning solution that you can whip up at home, a vinegar and lemon solution. This household hero is easy to make. Simply combine equal parts of vinegar and fresh lemon juice. Give it a good stir and voila, you've got yourself an effective natural cleaner. Now, what can this solution clean, you ask? Well, the list is long, but let's start with kitchen countertops. This solution is excellent at cutting through grime and stains, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. And it doesn't stop at the kitchen. This solution can work wonders in the bathroom too. It's great at tackling soap scum on tiles and buildup on faucets. But that's not all. This vinegar and lemon solution can also be used to freshen up your garbage disposal, clean your microwave, and even brighten your laundry. So, with just 2 common kitchen items, you've got yourself a powerful cleaning solution. Next up is a DIY paste perfect for tackling grout and tough stains, a baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Now, this isn't your average cleaning solution. It's a powerful concoction that's simple to make and yet incredibly effective. To create this paste, all you need is equal parts of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Just mix them together until you achieve a smooth consistency, like that of a thick soup. Now let's talk about how to use this paste. For grout, apply the paste and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it clean. For stained kitchenware, coat the stained area with the paste and scrub until the stain is gone. And yes, you can even use this paste on stained clothing. Just apply a small amount of paste onto the stain, let it sit, and then wash as usual. And there you have it, a homemade paste that packs a punch against tough stains. Our final DIY cleaning hack will leave your wooden furniture looking shiny and new, an olive oil and lemon juice furniture polish. This homemade solution is simple yet effective, and you're going to love the results. To whip up this natural polish, start by mixing 2 parts olive oil with 1 part lemon juice. You could use a small bowl or a jar, whatever is handy. Olive oil serves as a fantastic moisturizer for wood, while the lemon juice adds a fresh, clean scent and helps to cut through any grime. Applying the polish is a breeze. Just dip a soft cloth into the mixture and gently rub it onto the surface of your wooden furniture. Be sure to follow the grain of the wood for the best results. In no time, you'll notice a beautiful shine and a rejuvenated appearance that can breathe life into any piece of furniture. And voila! With this DIY polish, your wooden furniture will shine like new. So, we've covered 3 DIY cleaning hacks to make your cleaning routine easier. First, we had the vinegar and lemon solution, a potent duo for battling stubborn stains. Next, we explored the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste, a brilliant concoction for whitening and brightening surfaces. Lastly, we discussed the olive oil and lemon juice furniture polish, a natural and effective solution for keeping your furniture gleaming. Remember, a cleaner home doesn't have to mean more work. With these DIY cleaning hacks, you can simplify your cleaning routine and still have a spotless home.